Hi, today I'm going to be talking about some of the math vocabulary your kid's going to be using so that you can help them at home. So the first thing we're going to talk about is some of the words in place value. So the first word we're going to talk about is the word standard form. Standard form is just a fancy way of saying write the number. So if I wanted the number 36, standard form would be writing 3 and a 6. The next word you're going to hear a lot is represent and pictorial. These mean show it with a picture of or concrete objects. Pictorial is a picture. So this is one group of 10. So I'd go 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. What I just did is I composed or put together the number 36 using place value blocks. The next word you may hear is expanded form. Expanded form is when you decompose the number or break it apart into its sections. So I have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. So I could write that, or I could choose to write 30 plus 6. So you could do 30 plus 6, or you could do 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6, or you could do 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. All of those would have been correct because expanded form is when you decompose the number or take it apart. So again, standard form is just writing the number. Pictorial form is to show it with a picture, and expanded form is when you break apart the number. Some of the other words you're going to hear are vertices. Vertices is where two ends on a shape meet. So a triangle has 3 vertices. That would be the part where the ends meet. It makes a little V for vertice. You're going to hear the words edges and sides. Edges and sides are going to be the straight line. You're going to hear the word face or bases. On a 3-dimensional figure, a face or a base is the part that is the flat surface. For math, we are going to teach, in fractions, we teach halves and wholes, and we also call them fair shares. So you may hear 1 out of 2, fair share, and equal parts. We talk a lot about equal meaning the same, so that numbers on one side of the equal sign mean the same as numbers on the other side of the equal sign. For time, first grade learns about time to the hour and time to the half hour only. We also are able to count from 0 to 120 forwards and backwards starting at any number. You may have also heard your teacher referring to subitizing. Subitize is instant number recognition. So if I rolled a dice and I rolled a 2, that would be subitizing. I hope this explains some of the math vocabulary we are using in first grade. If you have any questions, please ask your child's teacher.